Now then guys, Matty here from M&J Automotive, and today we're working on a little Citroen C1. This is a 2010 model. It's only on 40,000 miles. It's really low mileage one. It's been in for MOT, had a couple of advisories, front disc and pads corroded, and a CV boot split, but still preventing the ingress of dirt. So we're going to be changing the full drive shaft at request of the customer. So it's one of them. We'll be doing a bit of a walkthrough video on this, like showing you how to do the disc and pads on it. The the drive shaft I might do as just a bit of a time lapse, just to make it a bit quicker. But yeah, there will be the walkthrough on the disc and pads, showing you how to do those. And other than that, there's not really a lot else to say about this. I'll cut out now and cut back in when we're ready to start doing the vehicle. Right guys, so here's going to be the walkthrough on doing the front disc and pads on the Citroen C1. So you've got a little grub screw that helps retain the disc, and that's just a T30, so that's out. Then you've got two bolts holding the caliper onto the carrier, and then what I tend to do is use the wing spanner, tap on there. I'm just going to be using basic hand tools again, so then we can show how general public can do this sort of job. So yeah, that's both tapped off. Use your hand to tap the spanner down. I'm using a ratchet spanner now, so then I can rotate the bolt out nicely. So one out, there, two out. Both of them out there. And then, oh, there we go. And there's the caliper. Again, just single piston caliper. And stuck in. Oh, very stuck. And she's out. So yeah, that's both pads out. Set them aside, so they're out of the way. Next up, caliper carrier. So, what these are a 17mm bolt on the back, so just use a big ratchet to break them off. Like so. One. Bolts have built up a bit of corrosion, so what I'll do is take that off there, little hammer, onto there. That's all cracked off. Then just get the normal 1/2" drive ratchet. That's the point where you put your finger in. That one out. out, carrier off, disc off. Set this aside. So what I'll do, what I tend to do now is wind back tool. Into the caliper. Where you rotate this, but all it is it's just pushing it back on the single piston calipers at the front. Most vehicles at the front are a pushback caliper only. It's when you do rear brakes that it ends up being like a rotate back one. Fords, a few different Fords have directional rotation calipers as well. So you have to rotate it in a specific way, in a specific direction to be able to actually wind it back. So there's the new brake pads. First up, we'll get the disc. Slide onto there. That good screw off by hand. Okay, that's tightened on there. Alright, now caliper carrier. So what we do is the shims, because the pads that we've bought don't come with new shims, the existing ones, take a wire brush tip. I'll just use any drill to make it a bit quicker. So that's them cleaned off. And the two carrier bolts. Put that back into position. Start winding it in. Again just by hand. Make sure it's threaded in before you go at it with anything else. Make sure slider pins are free to move, like so. That's alright. Then you get your new pads. Make sure there's no wear shims, because that usually indicates which side to go. Any directional arrows again, no directional arrows on these ones. So then you get copper grease. Just like that on each side. Screws done. And get your caliper up. Put that back on. Make sure the sliders are pushed all the way back. So caliper on. Bolts. Like so. Then get your 13mm standard spanner, just to make sure. So the spanners I've used were a Halfords Advanced 13mm ratchet spanner and a snap-on flank drive 13mm spanner. The long ratchet was just the US Pro long 1/2 inch drive with and a Halfords Advanced standard 1/2 inch drive ratchet. So that's how you do the front brake disc pads on a Citroen C1. It is just a general thing that this is how you do disc pads on specific vehicles. Most front brakes are very similar. So it's just a basic principle. There are alternate variants like BMW. Some of them have pins for the calipers, so you just tap the pins out and the pads all slide out, and then you push the piston back individually in that, and then slide the new pads in, and so just be aware that there are variants of this style caliper and carrier. But thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd be interested in watching any future content or any of the other videos we've got, hit the subscribe button, check out our profile. We do have an Instagram account, we do have a TikTok account, so you can check us out on there. And other than that, again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.